Hi, I'm JJ Snyder, and you're watching Mingle Media TV's Red Carpet Report. Tonight I'm at the ArcLight for the premiere of Jumping the Broom. Mingle Media TV.
Hi, thank you, Glendon Palmer.
I'm standing with Glendon Palmer, one of the big producers on Jumping with the Broom.
Yes, yeah.
Jumping over the broom.
Jumping the broom, jumping the broom.
Are you jumping the broom?
You're right the first.
You would know, you produced it.
Yes, and I still can't believe that happened.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations,
Thank you, thank you.
Your second film that you produced?
My first film. The first film, I've been around, I've worked at main executive jobs throughout the industry for many years, but this is the first time I can claim from conception to release a film that I have complete, my fingerprints are all over it.
Whoa, huge accomplishment. Congratulations. Was the job easier than you thought or harder?
I didn't know, as we moved along the process, I wasn't quite sure what to expect, so I kind of just going with the flow of it. And we also had great producers like Tracy Edmonds, who I work with currently now, Bishop Jakes, his producing partner Curtis Wallace. So we had a lot of people, and also we just had a great cast, we had a great director, a great studio behind us, and so it was a very relatively smooth process.
Excellent. Now, you were so immersed in the film, but I'm sure that just recently you watched a final version of it. Did you have feelings come up that you didn't expect?
You know, I've seen the film numerous times, and I think it was the first rough cut that I saw that I was just like, it actually pieces together nicely. And then as it's trimmed out, yeah, exactly. As it's trimmed down, as the music is laid in, we went to a scoring session, a sound mixing session, where the mixers at Sony were able to pull out conversations that we didn't hear before. So, you know, it just got richer and richer, and so it's been a great experience.
Excellent. Congratulations tonight.
Thank you very much. All right.